final project that we're going to work on today is something for our pets. And most of you know I have 2 cats. And of course, they love to help me with whatever I'm working on, especially when I'm trying to record something for the library. So we're going to make some toys for them. And this will work for dogs too. Dogs and cats actually both love having chewy, stuffy toys around. And what I did is, using the scraps from the sleeves that I wasn't able to use in the other projects, I just cut a few strips, and also use the hems that we cut off to make our yarns, and the hems that were around the sleeves. So we have this part here, which we cut off for the yarn, and this part here from the sleeves. And then I just cut some other thin strips from the sleeves that I didn't use. And cat toy, real easy. Let's see my other scraps here. And all I did with this is take a couple strands and then just one of these other strands that I had cut off the sleeve. Okay, so you're going to take your 2 strands, lay it across the 1 strand. And you're just going to bring it up and tie a knot. And there you go. And I actually have some of those sticks that you have, like the feather toys that you get, the feather teasers, I guess. And I was able to tie this onto one of the feather teasers, and instant teaser. You don't have to buy anything, just shake it in front of them and they love it. And of course, now that I want them to be around, they're off doing something else. Okay, so that is our cat toy. Okay, for the dogs. You can make a rope. And one way you can do that is just by making a simple crochet chain. So we're going to start out with a loop, and I just wrap it around my fingers, take the short end to the back, and then I'm going to bring up a loop. And this is our starting loop. And then we're just going to use our fingers to make a crochet chain. And I'm just going to stick your fingers through the loop, grab the long part of the string, and pull it through. Just keep doing that till you get to the end. And then when you get to the end, just bring that end through and give it a pull. And you got a tug rope. You could also simply just braid some strands together. Gotta find my strands that are about the same length here. About the same length and about the same thickness. You're going to take your 3 strands. I'm going to tie a knot. Give it a good pull. Now we are going to braid. And to braid, you have your 3 strands, the one in the middle. You're going to take one that is on the one side, just pull it over to the one that's in the middle. That then becomes the middle. And then you're going to go from the other side, bring that over top of the middle. And that one becomes the middle. So you're just constantly going back and forth over that middle strand. Again, when you get to the end, you're just going to tie a knot. And we have another pull toy. So we have our cat teasers and some pull toys. So you can make something for your furry friends. You can make something for your furry friends, or your friends' furry friends, or family, whatever. We have a ton of pet toys laying around, because we all love our pets. And that is our program for today. Thanks. Have a great time.